Today, I'll show you how I make art when I'm feeling some anxiety. I invite you to create with me today as a way of doing some self-art therapy. Art helps us have a deeper understanding about our anxiety, practice compassion to it, release some tension, and feel renewed and refreshed. The art materials you can bring are paper or a sketchbook, oil pastels, or you can choose to bring some color pencils. In addition, you can bring a notebook or journal and a pen to write with. Before the art, let's invite some mindfulness and become aware of our body. Gently place your attention on your breathing, coming in and going out. In the next out breath, breathe out a little bit more air. Then naturally your in-breath becomes deeper. Notice the breath coming in, filling your lungs and releasing. When we're ready, simply draw a circle on your page. Doesn't have to be perfect. And imagine that this anxiety we feel is visible. Imagine it has shapes, lines, and colors. How would it look like? Perhaps it's big or small, or heavy or light. Simply allow the image to come to you. Begin putting that image onto your page with the pencil or pastel when you are ready. Remember, there's no judgment and there's no right or wrong way to do this. Simply focus on the process of expressing your thoughts and feelings and release any worries about what it will look like. If you've been making art for yourself, what kind of art do you make? Let me know in the comments. I make art for myself and I've been helping a lot of people with art therapy. As a way to keep up with my own self-art therapy practice, I'm sharing this with you and hope that it is helpful. I believe in the healing power of art therapy, and I always try to practice what I say to others in my own life. When you are done with your piece, bring your journal and pen for reflective writing. Write down your responses for the following questions. First question is, what do you see in the image or artwork you just created? Write in an objective way, simply describing how the image looks. Second question is, what do you think the image is telling you? If the image could talk to you, what do you think it would say to you? And the third question is, what would make the image feel a little bit better? What are some of the changes you can make or some additions you can make to make the image feel a little bit more soothing or calm? So, how was this for you? Share your thoughts and feelings in the comments. So thanks for following along with my self-art therapy practice, and thank yourself for making this time to do some creative self-care. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment below about your thoughts, or just share it with a friend who really needs this video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.